Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find Lloyds Bank memorable information. First, open the Lloyds Bank mobile banking app on your phone. Once the app opens, you will arrive at the login page. On the login page, find the button that says Forgotten Login Details and tap on it. This option helps users recover or update important login information connected to their account. After tapping that button, a list of different options will appear on your screen. Carefully go through the list until you find the option that says Change Memorable Information. Once you see it, tap on that option to continue. The app will now ask you to confirm your identity by entering some personal details. This process is important because it helps keep your bank account secure. There are 3 different steps in this section. Follow the instructions shown on the screen and enter all the required information correctly. After completing all 3 steps, enter your new memorable information, confirm it if needed, and then save the changes. Once the update is complete, your new memorable information will be ready to use the next time you log into the app. Thanks for watching.